Hi, my name is Yogo, and in this video, I will show you how to create your link using the Convi.online platform. You need to click here in Create Invitation and fill just a couple of inputs like the name of your event, barbecue, the data when the event will happen, like 28 March, the hour, the hour, so like 8 p.m., and the location. For example, Avenue 28 and Texas. You have here optional settings. I don't want to talk about this one, but I will just to click and create my link. And here you have two options. You can use your Google account. You can to click here to make the login using the Google account, or you can just to offer your best email, like my best gmail.com, and choose a password and click here generate link. That's all you need to do for create your link. So here you can, as you can see, you have your exclusive link. You can click to copy your link and share with your friends, which you want to confirm in your event. Or you can to send directly on the WhatsApp if you are using mobile devices or here in the desktop. And also we have an exclusive feature called name it invitation. For example, if you are organizing your children birthday, it's you can to create individual invitations for each family or each group that you want to invite. It's really nice feature. And also you have the QR code to put your physical invitation. You can click here to download the image. And now all you need to do is copy it to send. And when your guest open this link, and your guest will see something like this. Let me show you. Your guest probably will open in a mobile device phone, and we all your guys you need to do is to provide the name, for example, Diogo Machado, and here he can to add, for example, companions, Catherine B, and click here to confirm the attendance. That's all your guys need to confirm the presence on your event. And you have, if you click to manage in your event, you can see the details about the confirmations, like when the your guest confirmed, for example, less than a minute ago. And if I click in a name, for example, I can see not only the data an hour when the guest confirm it, but also the companions with will coming with this guest, which is really useful sometimes. And yeah, we have here some features like AZ alphabetical filter or registration data, and we have a button to search if your list is too large. It's this feature is really useful. And also imagine you have a guest you knows will will don't click will don't click in the link. You can click here and add this person manually, like João, for example, and click to add. You can add manually some guests that in a special case. So yeah, that's all. You can create links for free up to 20 guests if your event grow. You can just to increase your limit with choosing a plan. We have some we have a couple of plans, for example, for 50 gas or 100 gas, and all this process is secure in environment secured. So if, for example, I click here, I will go to the Stripe payment process and go back to the platform. So it's simple and it's a safe space. So yeah, that's all. The platform is built to be simple, to be directly, and you can, for example, use this using the link direct, sending the link for your guests, or you can just to copy this link and put this in the Canva design, for example. If you want to generate a PDF about your event, your birthday, you can click here and put this link in a button to your desk to confirm. It's amazing, it's simple, and a lot of persons are adopting this way to confirm to that the attendance on events. So I hope you enjoy in this process, and I hope you enjoy in the platform.